What's up, everyone? Got a chainsaw case. What we're going to do with the chainsaw case, I don't know. Nothing wrong with it. It's in good condition. Looks really nice. Pretty clean. But what we're going to be looking at is inside. We have a Poulan model P3816. Ooh, a P38. Huh, Mustang. We got the owner's manual with it, or instruction manual, and quick start guide. Pull, 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 and then pull some more, and then start. Okay, picked this one up, and I don't remember what I paid for it. Paid money for it, I do know that. But the only thing we get is a scrunch. So let's see here. Looks like it's in pretty decent shape. And a little bit of water. Gonna stay there. Let's get the carrying case out of the way. And I better throw those manuals in there, or I'm gonna end up getting ruined or wet, whatever they're in. Okay. We have no name, no nifty name, like Wild Thing or Barracuda or Long John or something. Just Poulan. Let's see, bar and chain doesn't look like it's been used a whole lot. In fact, the chain is still pretty sharp. And doesn't look like anybody's filed on it. Let's see if I can get that. Oh shit, that wasn't even tight. It's got some fuel in it. And it smells pretty darn fresh. Let's see if we can get the... Hold on a second, I'll take you for a ride. Bone dry. So before they took it to the sale, they threw some gas in it to see if it would start. And then it's actually trying to pump up. Let's get you in the stand. Come in here to my maze. Get my stand out. This might be a quick video. Nope, she's not pumping up. see, do I have just about everything else in here? That looks too big. Nope, that's the right one. Chain brake works. That has one of them funky turbo carburetors on it. Yeah, something tells me that this wasn't used very much. Like 2 or 3 times, if that. I mean, there's just a little bit of sawdust on the starter. Other than that, I mean, kind of looks new. Got a torch plug in it, so somebody's... Let's see if there's enough. I don't know how long, we don't know how long the fuel has been in it. Let's see if I can get a hold of the fuel filter and pull it up. And even the fuel filter looks new. I like getting them like this. They don't make very good videos, but what the hell is that? Kind of like double fuel line on it. Probably trying something different. So the gas will eat the outside one and leave the inside one alone. What do you think? Does that make sense? First time I've seen fuel line in a fuel line. Let's choke. Let's give it a couple pulls and see what it does. Oh! That's a wrist breaker. Nope, I'm not. Let me get you moved over a little bit so I can get it down off the bench here and see if we can get this. She's a runner. How do I know? Because of the noise it made. Okay, we need to check the oiler on this. I think, yeah, I don't want to run it too long. I don't want to chew up that bar too much. But I think we may just get away with a little carb adjustment. Those are the splines. And let it run. So let me go find some bar and chain oil. Get some bar and chain oil in it. I mean, this, like I said, it's not a very old saw. I don't think there's a date on this one. Some of them do. They'll have a date code on it. Very, very minimal use. Okay. Let me go find some bar and chain oil and we'll check out the oiler. And then we will do some adjusting on that. Let it run and see what happens. Hopefully that's going to be a short video. Alright, I got some oil. I don't have any bar and chain. I'm not going to put any bar and chain oil in it anyway. I'll just use some regular motor oil. And it says half. Normally those are 1/2 inch. 13? Yeah. You can tell it's a newer one. Yeah, that's all. All the sawdust that's in this thing. Chain still new. 91, that's an Oregon. God. Saw is virtually brand new. Won't take much to clean it up. And have it ready. Alright, let's clean up my mess here a little bit. Throw that in the yard. So I got some 1030. This is just kind of not yard sale, but auction oil. It just kind of a little more. Comes in boxes. That's perfect. Just give it 1/2 tank or so, and that won't hurt nothing. Let's see. Not even quite 1/2 tank. I think I have a little bit of mix left. said, a little bit. That's half a tank. So I got half a tank of oil and half a tank of gas. Now let's check our oiler. Oiler's working. That's all good. Alright, now what do you want to do? I'm going to clean this up a little bit. I'm not going to get carried away with this because it's not very dirty. Alright, let's see if we can get this adjusted. See if that's not going to stay on. All right. Yeah, there's another one ready to go. Turned out pretty nice. It's always nice when you don't have to do a whole lot to them. When I looked at this one, I could tell that it was, hadn't been used much, if any, but it was used a little bit. What you've seen in the bar and chain cover and on the sprocket and all that, that's probably all it was. Very little use on it. So sorry that we didn't get into much more on this, but that's the way it goes sometimes with these. Sometimes you get them and you don't have to do nothing to them, and other ones you have to tear them down and just about overhaul them. The little Poulans, you have to get them when they're fairly new, and not used that much, because you can get them dialed in really nice and be a nice little running homeowner saw for quite a while. Unless somebody's going to try and cut firewood with it for all winter, for the winter, then, you know, you're going to wear them down. These are not made for that. These are just made for doing a little bit of firewood and, you know, doing some cleanup and stuff like that. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, hit that thumbs up button down there. It doesn't cost you a nickel or a dime. It costs you nothing to like the video. And it doesn't cost you anything to subscribe to the channel either, if you enjoy this type of content. So I hope to see everybody on the next one. Till then, later.